Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you a place that I found that I believe is a great location for beginning adventure bike riders to practice riding off-road in Southern California. The location is called Cajun Junction. It is at the base of the Angel's Crest Highway, which is another awesome motorcycle ride if you're interested in some street miles. Now, I do have to apologize for some of the GoPro shots. The GoPro itself was all messed up. I have no idea why it's so blown out like it is, because it even had an ND filter on it, so my apologies. Now, the Cajun Junction area has a good amount of dirt roads to ride, which are hardpack. There are also sections with loose rock, and there is also the wash where rain runoff travels. The wash is easily rideable and is a good practice area where the main crossing section is. As you get out away from that main crossing section or the main driving area, the sand does get deeper and looser. So it is a great place to learn how to ride in sand on your adventure bike. Then once you're tired of riding in the sand, you can easily jump back onto the hardpack road. Cajun Junction also has some amazing views, which you'll see shortly. Lots of trains and some cool places to explore. So let's take a look at my adventure this area, and you can decide for yourself if it's someplace you'd want to explore on your adventure motorcycle or 4x4 vehicle.
Found you.